Hi, I'm Alex, and this is how you use the West Music Clarinet Gear Kit. So the first thing I want to talk about is we have these mouthpiece patches. The idea behind this is that you can put them onto the very tip of your mouthpiece, and so make sure that you don't bite through the mouthpiece and leave a bunch of teeth marks in there. It also helps grip a little bit so that your mouth isn't slipping as much when it's the mouthpiece. We also have a reed holder, which is just a slightly nicer way of holding reeds rather than the sort of generic packaging that will come with all the reeds that you get. You also have an additional clarinet thumb rest. Some people like using it, but right on there, and it can just add a little bit of extra cushion, and some people it might help position their thumb a little bit more. Ideally, for your own hand shape, you get a mouthpiece brush, and the way that you should use this is you should run your clarinet mouthpiece under water with Dawn, and the water has to be cold or lukewarm. Don't use hot water, or you can end up disforming the rubber that the mouthpiece is made out of, and you just lightly brush inside the mouthpiece like that. One other item that's in the kit will be cork grease, and the way that you use this is if you find that when you're attaching one of the joints of the clarinet where there's cork and it's squeaking, apply just a little bit of it. It's just like applying chapstick, just around the cork, and then insert it in, and as long as it's not squeaking, you're good to go. Don't continue applying it if you don't have any issues getting the clarinet in without the cork squeaking, as overuse of cork grease can lead to over moisturization of the cork, and the cork will break down faster than it would otherwise, and you'll have to get it replaced more. And then lastly, we have the Clarinet Swab, which is something like this. And all it is after you've done playing and all the moisture has built up in the clarinet, you'll just run that through the body like this. It's weighted on one end, and you pull it through. And I recommend that you do that 2 times on each joint of the clarinet. Thanks for watching.